welcome to Cooking with Table Grace 17. Today I'm going to show you some really easy recipes that you can do at home that are affordable, quick, and really nutritious. Let's get started. Okay, so as was seen in previous clips, these are the groceries that we got today at Aldi's. I got some broccoli, some chocolate cherry cheesecake dessert hummus, which is going to be used for dessert. We have some Parmesan cheese. We have some little peppers. We also have some fresh cilantro, whole wheat pita, some sliced mushrooms, some ground chicken, some fresh strawberries, some Greek yogurt, some pasta sauce, some light agave nectar, and some pineapple chunks. So all of this was the groceries that we were able to get for a whopping $23. Now I am going to expand our menu a little bit more by adding some groceries that I already had on stock. So the groceries that we had on stock include some old-fashioned oats, some salt, some tomatoes, some lime, some garlic and onion, some ground cumin, some ground allspice, some cayenne pepper in case you like your food spicy, some garlic powder, some chili powder, some ground cinnamon, some coconut oil. So you can use whatever oil you have on hand. I would suggest that you would not use olive oil for the first recipe that we're going to make, which is actually our breakfast option. I have some taco seasoning, which is going to assist in our dinner option. And then lastly, I have some popcorn. So you don't have to get any kind of fancy popcorn like I have. You can definitely just do a bag of popcorn kernels that you can get at your local store. So definitely, make sure that you use what's in your region, what you have access to. And again, this item here is a specialty item that everyone may not have access to. But if you're feeling a little bit like you're on a DIY mission, you can actually make some sauerkraut, which is what this is. This is just a whole red cabbage that I cut up and I use to make sauerkraut. Super easy and really great for you, full of probiotics. So again, we at Grace 17 really want to emphasize that what we're trying to do with our recipes is meet individuals where they are. So whatever you have access to, these ingredients are totally interchangeable. If you don't have access to broccoli and you have access to carrots, you can use that instead. If you don't have access to agave nectar, you can use honey, you can use sugar, but we do want to keep our sweeteners at a minimum. With these recipes, we're focusing on nutrition and we're focusing on taste, but primarily we want to be able to provide you with recipes that are easy and nutritious. So keep that in mind.